Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. This has a white exterior, and a nut brown and black interior. Does have a sunroof. 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and E300 badging. Power open and closing trunk. This does have the premium Burnister sound system. Blind spot assist, memory seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel controls. The mileage on this is 19,611, and we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, as well as a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos of this vehicle or any others, see our website at feldmannimports.com.